So hello guys, it's your girl here, Selena Cooks. Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today I'll be making a lemon cake. Yeah, that's what I'll be making today. So for my ingredients here, I have my all-purpose flour, I have my lemon zest here, I have my sugar, I have margarine, I have my eggs, baking powder, and our lemon juice. So let's begin with our preparation, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my sugar in a bowl. Yeah. And I'll be using 250 grams of sugar and 250 grams of margarine. That's what I'll be using, guys. 250. Yeah, equal portions of sugar and margarine, guys. Guys, you should always get the correct measurements of sugar and margarine, guys, but it should always be correct. So guys, I'll be beating sugar and butter until it's light and fluffy, guys. It's supposed to be light and fluffy. Eh, sorry guys, I'll be using this cooking stick again. It's too big. It's really giving me a hard time. Guys, remember you're supposed to beat your sugar and butter until it's light and fluffy. So Lana, come show them. Yeah, guys, see how it is. Yeah, this is how it is, guys. So what I'm going to do next, guys, is I'm going to add my lemon zest in here. Remember, this is a lemon cake, guys. So I'm adding in my lemon zest. And continue beating, guys. Guys, it's not easy. Yeah, but I love doing this, guys. So I have to beat this sugar. Yeah, the cooking stick is really feeling me right now.
It's so big.
Yeah, very big. Guys, I think my sugar is ready now. And guys, manually. Yeah? It's done, guys. It's okay now. I can add my eggs. Yeah? So guys, what I'm going to do now is add my eggs one by one. Yeah, so I'll be adding one by one eggs in here. So I'm adding my egg one by one. And guys, when you're adding eggs, please remember not to overbeating your eggs. So guys, in my 500 grams of flour that I had already measured, I'm going to add my baking powder, and I'll be using 3 teaspoons. So let's measure 3 teaspoons. One, two, three. Again, I'm using these measuring spoons, guys. So I'm using them to mix my baking powder and all-purpose flour. So yeah. So guys, I'm going to add my flour in here. So my flour and baking powder. So I'm sieving my dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, guys. So while you're mixing, remember to mix with one side, please. You should not change your hands. Just mix with one side. Sorry guys, the cooking stick is too big.
I can see you're struggling.
Struggling, guys. But so I'm going to sieve in the rest of all of my dry ingredients. This is my all-purpose flour and my baking powder. Guys, I think my cake batter is ready. It has a dropping consistency. Lama comes again. It's dropping, guys. Yeah, yeah. I love mine this way. So it has a dropping consistency, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my cake batter in a greased baking tin and bake it in the oven. So guys, I've greased my baking tin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to place my cake batter in here and bake in an oven, guys. So guys, now I'm going to place my cake batters in the oven and bake them, guys. So I'm going to bake for approximately 35 minutes, guys. Yeah, I had already preheated my oven. Yeah, so let me place my cake batter in the oven. Let me just check out the cakes. I believe they are nice. Wow, guys, I can already see the color from here. I'm telling you, it's amazing. And the flavor of the lemon is so good, guys. I can already feel the flavor of the lemon. So, guys, to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for always supporting me and watching my videos. And if you're new to this channel, kindly consider subscribing and don't forget to like, comment, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos from me. Bye, guys.